Hey guys, we're going to do a real quick video here just to start wrapping our stuff up. We are going to just look at an exponential problem. So it's just a word problem. It's the same stuff we've been doing, but just getting out of a word problem. As always, you can pause at any time to write down what you need. All right, so you can go ahead and copy this problem down. Now that you've got it copied down, let's take a look at what we have here. You got Mr. Ross has bought himself a car, and it's $83,000. Now, the bad news about buying a car is that it depreciates. Now, depreciate means that it loses value. So this means it's going down 9.2 cents. So this is a decrease scenario. So yesterday, last class, we were talking about increase and decrease. This one's a decrease. So we want to create the equation for this. So we need a multiplier. Now, if you've forgotten, our exponential situation whenever we're dealing with percentages is this guy. So we've got the starting value. Our A is 83,000. What we do not have is the B. We don't have the multiplier. Well, we know it's losing 9.2%. So since it's a loss, to get the multiplier, we do 100 minus 9.2 divided by 100. So that will end up giving us 90.8 over 100, or 0.908 once you type that into the calculator. That's the B. All right, so that's kind of neat, and I'm just going to double check and confirm my math. I did that in my head. I'm going to type that into my calculator real quick. Make sure I did not mess that up. Let me rewrite this. So fraction button, at the top of the fraction you put 100 minus 9.2. At the bottom of the fraction we put 100. Yep. 0.908. That's it. Just making sure we were on the right point. All right. So now that we've got that, we can make our little quick equation. So y equals, our starting value was $83,000. Our multiplier is 0.908. And there's an x. That's the general equation. Now, if we want to know what it's going to be worth in 7 years, we just plug our number in. We put 7 into the x position. So 7 goes into the x position. So y equals 83,000, parentheses, 0.908. And instead of x, we've got 7, because x is the number of years. All right, now all we do is we literally type this into our calculator exactly like it looks. 83,000, parentheses, 0.908, close parentheses, and then the exponent of 7. So using Desmos makes this a lot easier. And this comes out as y equals, I'll put $sign here, $42,000, 235. And 64 cents. It says 63.5. We go to the nearest penny, so round up or down to the nearest penny. All right, and that is what this car will be worth in 7 years. So remember, if it's a decrease, you do a subtraction up here to get the multiplier. If it's an increase, you would do it in adding. And that pretty much is all that we're going to talk about. We just need to worry about the word problem pieces. So for today, I've got 2 problems for you on a handout to do some growth and decay practice with word problems. And just go back and make sure you make up any missing work and quizzes. I'm trying to not overload you here at the end of the semester. Learn a little something new, get a little practice, and then go make up some things so that we can all be in good spots. Hey, you guys take care, stay safe. See you in Zoom.